Today is another Fun Fact Friday for 2021. I'm Scott Mulvaney here representing Sales Management Solutions. And today I just want to share with you guys some exciting new products that are shipping from one of our business partners. And that is none other than Pro1 Technologies. So I'm going to switch over some screen sharing here and get right to it. Pro1 has been busy, to say the least. First of all, they already started rolling out a new thermostat coming at the end of 2020. And now they've released two more since then. So I'll be going through all three of them just for a second here. But the first up was, as a reminder, is Pro1 was already well known for their wireless PTAC technology. PTACs are common equipment you find in hotels, motels, etc. Those big heating and HVAC systems that are mounted right underneath the window, for example. So that being said, for contractors out there who are looking to do a retrofit and an update, or to improve the climate or the comforts of these types of spaces using PTAC HVAC equipment, we have the best technology on the market. So we've always had a wireless PTAC thermostat. That's this little module right here. But this is the all new design that released coming into 2021. Bigger display, bigger numbers, nicer glass, nicer lighting. Again, the wireless module was even upgraded as well. It's fully encased for better look and better technology as a whole. So that is actually what gets mounted inside the equipment. And then obviously you have your entire thermostat. So that being said, T731W already hitting the market, already shipping. I just got done helping another 900 unit order go into a high-rise construction complex in New Jersey. That being said, stay tuned, because the second version of this, you see this little circle here on the front of it, that is an occupancy sensor. So that is about to hit and ship as well here in 2021. But at the time of this video, it is about to roll out. It's not hitting yet. So stand tuned for that one. That'll be the T731WO. So it's T731W wireless, T731WO. O stands for occupancy sensor. All right, guys. So new tech. Let's hit it again. Now we're going to hit T751. So scroll down, check it out. Once again, newer, nicer glass, brighter screens, bigger numbers, bigger display as a whole. This is what Pro1 is known for. This is what contractors love about them. They make a more attractive, more physically viewable thermostat than pretty much everybody else on the market. So the T751 was released. That's now shipping. We're excited by this one. A lot of our competition has already a lot of thermostats out in the market. We try not to have too many thermostats. We actually like to help contractors and wholesalers reduce the quantity of thermostats that they have in stock. But the point of the T751 is it's a 3-heat, 2-cool thermostat. There were some problems with some of the competitors' thermostats in this competing realm. So they say, hey, let's step it up. We already have this new chassis, this new display. Let's get out a competing thermostat that's going to beat on price and just wow the customer. So this is the T751. This is the exciting. It's already shipping. I'm so excited to have this bring in the stack to a lot of our wholesalers. That being said, now let's hit T721I. I means Wi-Fi. That's right. We already had the most competing Wi-Fi thermostats on the market, a 1-heat, 1-cool model T701I, and our popular T855I that became the T855ISH late in 2020. So I didn't even hit on that, but that's technically newer technology as well. They leveled it up, kept the pricing the same. Now on that chassis, you can get Wi-Fi, you can get wired sensing controls, you can get humidity controls. That's the T855ISH. But more importantly, T721I. If you learn our product line and you understand the line card and what the numbers actually mean something in the model number. So T721I2 is our symbolic number for defining heat pump equipment. So I know parts of Southern New Jersey, Delaware, depending on where you're at here in the Northeast as we're recording this, heat pump systems are very, very popular. So we took our very popular T701I. We have the only 1-heat, 1-cool Wi-Fi stat on the market. So it looks identical to this using the same app. And we said, great, the T721 looks just like it. So let's go ahead and upgrade that circuit board. The factory said, let's upgrade the firmware and everything. So now the T721I is now your heat pump specific thermostat to help with anybody working with heat pump systems. Now you can get a super cost-effective Wi-Fi solution. Again, 2 stages of heat, 1 stage of cool, but again, it's Wi-Fi. And again, our model numbers mean something, right? So the T721, 1 at the end, just like the T721 now I Wi-Fi version of this, if it ends in a 1, it's a non-programmable thermostat, meaning you look at the front here, it's just up and down. Super simple, right? You just press up and down on the thermostat. That's how you change the temperature. There's no programmability on the thermostat itself. However, thanks to Pro1's advanced app update they did in the past 2 years, we have a very user-friendly app. You can manage as many properties as you want. You can manage as many thermostats as you want if you're a commercial person. But the whole point here is once you sync this thermostat up, enable the Wi-Fi technology at that house, at that office, et cetera, and sync it up to the app, you can actually run a program from the app on this non-programmable thermostat. Huge win, because again, on the thermostat, it's technically a non-programmable thermostat. Once you go Wi-Fi, once you link it up to the app, you can turn it into a programmable thermostat. So again, back to cost effectiveness, lower tech, but technically higher tech available. Super exciting. So again, guys, that's basically everything right now. T731W, the WO is coming soon for PTAX and occupancy sensors. I kind of hit really quick on the T855i that got overhauled and became the ISH, but also the T751 now hitting the market. T721i now hitting the market. And as a reminder, you can learn all about these thermostats, whether it be contacting us, we'll send you literature, etc. Or you can obviously go to their website. It is pro1technologies.com. Again, here's another popular, actually that T855 ISH I just told you about. Here's the non-Wi-Fi. They look identical. This just happens to be the non-Wi-Fi version. Again, we actually move a ton of these. This is another very popular thermostat, but again, everything you need. The product access is on here, spec sheets, literature, learning about wireless, learning about PTAX, even for the contractors as a reminder, this is where you go for private labeling program, loyalty points, etc. So stay tuned. I'll have a new video coming out about our all new private label program. I'll give you a little quick sneak peek here at the end here, a little sneak peek. It's brighter. That's right. There's colors. Private labeling has been overhauled. So that's another video. That's another blog. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting Sales Management Solutions. Thanks for supporting our partner for many, many years, Pro1 Technologies. And again, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you guys again soon.